In Builder's Excellence, when you're working with an overseas supplier, you would require multiple currencies. For example, when you have products that you require to purchase from overseas, the product record's overseas supplier must be ticked. This will display the overseas pricing section. The supplier unit cost is the cost of the product in overseas currency value. The supplier currency is a drop-down. You would have to add the pick list option of the currency you require to add. Watch the Managing Dropdowns video to learn how to add pick list values in your drop-down fields. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple currencies. Go to Settings, navigate to General, then click on Company Settings. Click on Currencies tab. Here you can see your home currency. Home currency refers to the main currency your business operates in. You can also edit the format and select your preferred symbol, digit separators, and decimal places. Click Save, and let's proceed to add a currency. Click on Add Currency. Search the currency to add. Set up the format, and enter the exchange rate against your home currency. Once done, click on Save. If there are changes with the format or exchange rate, hover on the currency name and click Edit. If you want to view the details, click on the hyperlink to display the information. And on the second tab captures all the modifications made within the past 6 months. If your organization no longer uses a specific currency, you can deactivate them, but they will not be deleted. To manage currencies in the system, users need the appropriate permission found under the admin level settings. Once granted, they can add new currencies, make updates, or activate and deactivate them as required. Reach out to Builder's Excellence team if you need further help.